Boy, if you don't watch the full video.
What's up, everybody? It's Tyler and I'm back with another mother freaking YouTube video.
Good day, mama. Safe to take a step. Get some air now. Let your edge out. To some ice.
Today's video, I thought I was gonna be in Vegas, bitch. No, but for real. So basically, I'm home still. Hold on. My flight got canceled. And yeah, I'm basically here leaving tonight. So I'm not even gonna post what I had, the clips, because I really didn't do a good job getting those clips anyways. Hold on. I didn't do a good job getting those clips. So I'm gonna basically give me a little before I leave trip video. Yeah, we doing that. I'm giving y'all this because, you know, my Vegas trip is one freaking day shorter. All right, oh yeah, gotta see the fit, hold on. I put a little effort into this one, guys. Hold on. Okay, you see it? Got the, what they say, that one shirt. Got my one shirt from my one haul. I don't know, I found these like some like volleyball type, running type shorts. Got the little athletic stuff underneath it with the red. You know the time with this, with the fanny pack. Hold on, you can't see me. You know the vibes, you know the vibes. But yeah, here go a closer look. I'm kind of running late, so, you know, I'm trying to show y'all real quick. But y'all see it, you know. And this is gonna be my airport fit too. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to get the fuck ASAP, eat, and then I'm basically gonna give y'all like a little mini mukbang. Wait, do I got my key? That'd be embarrassing. Yeah, I got it. Do I got everything? Yeah, I do. Ooh, it's a nice day. Hope these pants don't like ride up or some shit. Woo, it's hot. There we go. Ooh, motherfricker. Bitch, motherfucker. Okay, hold y'all right there. So yeah, we inside Xavier. If y'all didn't know, that's my name of my car. Shoot, I'm sweating like a mother. Woo, shoot, it's hot as it's monkey balls in this motherfucker. Ooh. Hold up, hold up, hold the front door. Shoot, it's hot. Let's turn on our tunes real quick. Ooh, I'm gonna be hot real quick. Okay, so yeah, y'all probably even couldn't hear me. I'm trying to speak fast. So yeah, basically gonna go there. I'm gonna, you know, film myself eat a little bit, and that might be the end of the video because I just wanted to show y'all, you know. And I got some tea. I'm gonna keep saying this every video. Y'all see, that's recent. I got some tea, man. Big story time coming when I get back from out of town. Trust me, it's something you will not want to miss. Now, I'm hot, and we need to go. So I'll get back with y'all when we get there. Okay, I'm here. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I'm talking. Yeah, I got hand sanitizer. I keep touching my head. I mean, because that's so unsanitary. They should have them cut up already. Guys, we're at Outback. I'm talking to the camera.
Yeah. Are you videoing yourself?
Outback, huh? You gotta get used to it. That's what I was doing yesterday. I was on my way to the airport, or at the airport, I should say.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube on your account? It's gonna feel like Lucius flight, John.
It's like you do it as you do it. I really don't like head sensor. Yeah, I ordered. Oh dang, I don't even know what I want to order. Why don't you get the blooming onion? Should I pre-get ready for Vegas? Like, give me a cocktail. It's like, nah. I'm never gonna bloom my onion. Talking about it.
One extra glaze.
One extra glass, empty or do you need?
She said 1 or 2 days.
I got strawberry lemonade. Ooh, that's the last one.
It is once again, you come. Thank you for barbecue at the regular and I'm around now.
20 minutes later.
Hey man, the food here would have been a little cold, but it's okay.
I was wondering if it's gonna get cold.
After the real show go off, she
That's pretty. I like that.
Can I have the rest of this?
Damn, I was like,
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat it.
damn, the one.
give me a piece.
Oh, pretty
Like,
cool.
this is so fattening, just put butter. Have clogged arteries in a second.
Huh?
Stick a little bit. Long back and sit back down.
I'm ready for my food now. We had our appetizer, so I forgot to film it.
A real one.
It's just because you have to grind it up.
I'm a little wild. Got catch Jack. No, talking to the camera. Got that blooming onion. That's nasty. Y'all like that?
Huh?
The blooming onion?
I like you like it.
Not really.
You know, onion person.
Subscribe.
You wouldn't pay money for that, huh?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right here.
It was worth it.
I bet it is expensive.
My master messing up. My phone messing up.
You know what? God give us a child in this generation.
You did have me very late.
Crazy generation.
That is funny. Yeah, I had a kid in this generation. Follow me on Instagram. I see that. Follow. But they look at me like I'm crazy.
You got food.
The food is here.
They're coming to you.
No.
The food is here.
Dang, she went right past it. She saw that.
Come over and get pictures.
But yeah, I'll be back when the food comes, guys. If you can see the faces. I think it's here now.
It may be, it may not be.
She could walk past again.
I think you're right.
Yay.
Big old chicken. I can get rid of chicken. Look how they
Wings.
Cheese and
Cooper
ranch.
Girl wings.
How's everything looking?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, is there anything I can grab for you to get you settled in?
Oh, you gotta see the food. You gotta see the food. So you got
Chicken
that.
is good. It's tender. You trying to
Look at these. These things huge. I should have got all drums. Why didn't I think of that?
chicken breast.
I could have got all drums, but yeah, the ranch. I eat honey mustard and eat this because it tastes good. All right.
No, not like hot sauce or anything, but
Well, I think we have Tabasco.
that's fine.
Yeah. Enjoy
Anything hot sauce for you. I just really hope I don't get this because this is the airport outfit. I don't want to change again.
What time you gonna go down there today?
Just in case, so I can be first in line if they cancel the flight again. I'm gonna go down like, cause I'm supposed to be there like 7:30. So I might go at like 6:30. What time is it?
What kind of flight did you live?
Like, what did we say?
7:32.
There you go. Dang. When you get a well done steak, you shake the table, cutting it. Would you? Oh, that was that chicken that you was cutting, shaking the whole table with it. It was a little hassle, wasn't it? Oh, let me take these rings off.
You gonna get down now, huh?
Yeah.
Tabasco, but we're out of it right now, so I grabbed a side of Frank's Hot, if that's okay.
That's better.
Thank you. I'm glad that worked out.
It's the hot sauce we get at the house. Yeah, but they only had Tabasco, but you
She
know.
said they had Tabasco, not hot sauce.
She said Frank Red Hot, girl, that's what we eat all the time.
Right.
That's
You got the right
That's
thing.
what we like. Let's taste it. Is this?
Is it hot?
It's supposed to be with blue cheese, so I'm gonna taste it with the blue cheese.
Hot sauce. There's a hot sauce.
I don't know.
She wants some hot sauce too.
I never tried Frank Red Hot.
Oh yeah.
I've had
And
some.
she was Tabasco sauce.
I like to. Oh, he was that type of hot sauce.
Because he was that type of hot sauce. That's hotter than Frank. Right, it is.
I like these wings.
Wait.
But I don't. I do, but I don't. At least I have food for when I come back home.
That's you.
That's gonna be a house over. Wait, that's gonna be a house over 2 days. And what you said, anything in the fridge over 2 days when you get back?
Y'all not gonna eat it, are y'all?
You want a bed?
No, you will.
You want a bed?
No, you will.
These are juicy. When you bite them, some juice come out.
They cook them little wings. Whatever that is.
That's what they call cuckoo barrel. They got like some spices on it.
Oh, that?
I don't know what type of.
Did you eat your mom?
I don't know. Let's move to the potato. Bon appetit.
Good now. You still live in Florida, Georgia? You should go. You should go to. You got way bigger than you used to be. So you gain, you know, got a little heavier.
Yeah, you always talk about somebody.
No, I'm just saying.
Man's gone.
Okay, I think I made a clip before that, but I was ending the video, so of course we're not gonna use that. There's too much going on. You know, I'm a little stoned. Hey, Alex, come on, say hey. He loves to love. I usually pick him up, but see, look, this is what you do. Not right now, but I'll put this food up real quick and finish the video, or end it off, I should say. We went to Outback. You seen those in the first few clips. Shoot, I can't even fit this in here. I guess that's good. That's first world problems, I guess. Some food in here, but I guarantee if I was hungry, it wouldn't be nothing in here. So yeah, let me scoot back. So yeah, take the sunglasses off so I can talk to y'all real good. So yeah, we just basically came back from Outback. Food was like decent. Y'all still saw the food. I'm not gonna show it again. It was decent. It was decent, but not really. It really wasn't that good. Oh shit. It wasn't that good. It was like my second time at Outback. I wouldn't eat it again, really. Let's just keep it 100. It's 4:41. My plane leave at, they delayed it, so it's like, see, they cancel it and delay it, like they keep playing with me. But they need to keep doing that, cause shit, these travel vouchers gonna come in handy for the rest of the year. So nah, but yeah, them gonna come in handy so good. They gonna come in so clutch. So travel vlogs. I don't know. What y'all think? I'm thinking travel vlogs, but yeah, they can keep canceling it. I'm still go though. I'm still gonna go, but you know, I'm still figuring it out. You know, 'cause I got a lot of calling to do, and you know, it's so much stuff. Cause I need my money back for some of these stuff. Cause inconvenience is freak. I'm gonna try to stop cussing. You know, this video is very much family friendly because I didn't say the word F word or something a lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I should have said this in the beginning, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Join the Lit Fam. If you're a returning subscriber or watcher, thank you. What's up, family? It's nice to see you. And I should have said that in the beginning, but it's nice to see you always. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and share to everybody you know, because Tylerrashawnyt is the next thing. The Lit Fam is the next thing. Period. I'll be back with the next one. Keep showing me love, and I most definitely will be back with them. And this is Tylerrashawnyt. And peace. Whoop. Wait. I ate the box. Like it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. But I will beat your ass. What's up? Ooh. Stop playing with him.